Tesla is coming to India. The electric car giant plans to start selling its cars there very soon. This is big news for India and for Tesla. People in India are excited to see Tesla cars on their roads. Tesla is known for making great electric cars. Tesla will start selling its cars in India in April 2025. The cars will be imported. This means they will be made in another country and brought to India. The starting price for a Tesla in India will be around 21 lakh rupees. This is about $25,000. This price is very competitive. It will allow many Indians to buy their first Tesla. Tesla is starting with 2 showrooms in India. One showroom will be in Mumbai. It will be in the Bandra Kurla complex, a busy business area near the airport. The other showroom will be in New Delhi. It will be in Irasati, close to the international airport. Both showrooms will be large and modern. They will showcase Tesla's cutting-edge technology. Tesla is excited to be in India. The company believes in the future of India. India has a large population and many people are interested in electric cars. Tesla wants to be a part of India's clean energy future. Tesla is starting small in India. The company will focus on selling cars first. It will not open service centers right away. This means that people who buy Tesla cars in India will have to wait for repairs. Tesla will import its cars from its factory in Berlin, Germany. Berlin is home to one of Tesla's most advanced factories. Even though there are no service centers yet, Tesla is creating jobs in India. The company has posted 13 job openings. These jobs are in sales and customer service. Tesla is looking for talented people to join its team. Some of the jobs include service technician and service manager. Others are inside sales advisor and customer support supervisor. Tesla wants to build strong relationships with its Indian customers. The company knows that good service is important. Tesla is committed to providing a great experience for its Indian customers. Tesla wants to build more than just cars in India. The company wants to build partnerships. Tesla plans to buy parts for its cars from Indian companies. This is called local sourcing. Tesla wants to spend over $1 billion on parts from India by 2025. Tesla's entry into India has not been easy. The company has faced challenges. India has high taxes on imported cars. These taxes make Tesla cars more expensive. Tesla has asked the Indian government to lower these taxes. Elon Musk, Tesla's CEO, met with India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi. They discussed Tesla's plans for India. Tesla's arrival in India is significant. It could change the car market. Tesla's cars are electric. They are good for the environment. They do not produce emissions. This is important in a country like India. India has a problem with air pollution. Tesla's cars could help to reduce this pollution. Tesla's entry into India is a big deal. For Tesla, it's a chance to enter a new market. India has a lot of potential. For Indian consumers, it's a chance to buy amazing electric cars. Tesla's arrival could make India's car market more competitive. This could lead